Hey everyone, we are back in South Atlanta's newest subdivision, Hawthorne Station, built by Rocklyn Homes in College Park. This community is minutes from the best of Atlanta, easy access to downtown, the International Airport, dining, retail, and more. Hawthorne Station will have 4 building plan options. This floor plan is the Briscoe plan. It consists of 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,806 square feet. Make sure to check out this community's other floor plans right here on my channel. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.